In the conventional quantity takeoff method, professionals usually read CAD drawings manually and then enter quantities into Excel. This process takes time and creates chances of mistakes, especially when there are multiple rooms, finishes, deductions, and revisions. ARCHQTY is designed to make this workflow faster and more systematic. Instead of manually measuring from drawings and typing data into Excel, ARCHQTY allows the user to work directly inside CAD. The user can select room boundaries, opening details, finish types, and schedule data from the drawing itself. Based on this, the tool helps generate flooring, skirting, wall plaster, ceiling plaster, dado, and opening deduction quantities in a structured format. The main benefit is reduction of repetitive manual Excel entry. Room names, areas, perimeters, heights, deductions, and material details can be organized through a guided CAD workflow. ARCHQTY also improves standardization. Every user can follow the same calculation logic, same deduction method, and same output format. This helps reduce variation between different team members. Before final output, the user can review and edit the extracted data, check deductions, and then generate professional CAD tables, CSV files, and Excel-friendly reports. Compared to manual CAD to Excel working, ARCHQTY saves time, reduces errors, improves checking, and creates a cleaner quantity takeoff process. In short, ARCHQTY converts manual quantity entry into a guided CAD automation workflow for professional estimation and billing teams.